these people debange Two Face. What's that his name? So my take would be that those people, a lot of people have crazy, different, stupid comments that they gave or that they've been giving about this couple, their wedding. Some people even said the wedding is not organized. So I'm not surprised when I hear comments like the band should not have gone there. Like, do you even know how far they've come, where they are coming from? You don't even understand the kind of relationship they have. These people, the band, Two Face, what's that his name? Don Jazzy. These are the people that set the stage for Afrobeat to go international. And then someone will sit down somewhere and say that the band shouldn't have done what? I mean, in life is short. Life is very short. And we all have to learn humility. Because you are rich does not mean you should now not know where you are coming from.